this thing working? Okay, now it is. So, you're probably surprised to hear a voice that you don't find that familiar. Originally, your friend was going to call you, but he got hung up on a few things, so he decided to get me. So I am calling with you in his place. I'm not going to be giving you my name, obviously for privacy reasons, but since I'm calling you through this radio, just call me Radio Guy. You're probably wondering how I'm even calling you in the first place. The truth is, I'm actually in the same place as you are right now. But I'm not going to tell you my exact location, because I don't want to be found by the Grumbles. Speaking of them, that's what brings us to the topic of this phone call. What your friend wants you to do is he wants you to test the Grumbles' abilities of sentience, which means it is guaranteed that they will, start to move around a bit. And since you're a player inside of their home, they'll be going down to the only place that is emitting noise. So, in this case, your office. Now, obviously, you should have a ton of muscle memory. There are sets of buttons to your left and your right that power the lights and the gates. You press the square buttons that says light on them to turn on and off the lights. You press the red circular buttons to open and close the gates, yada yada yada. But if you look behind you, you can see the office's power module. The system will tell you how much power you have, what time it currently is, how many nights you've been here, and how much power you're using. So be sure to check it once in a while. Now, I'm pretty sure you have already, but if you look down by your feet, you can flick up your surveillance system. This can be used to look through the available surveillance cameras to see where each one of the Grumbles are. And, some other things worth mentioning. It's kind of the world's modern design of security systems. The cameras are not going to show the power usage, time, and night number. So, as I previously mentioned, you will need to keep checking behind you too. Look for those specific things, and alongside the fact that we're inside a mineshaft, the power here is limited, and it does drain fast. So don't go around wasting your power. Do try to conserve it as much as you can. Okay, that's everything out of my knowledge that I can tell you. You can figure out the rest as you go. Just know, I believe the Grumbles will become more sentient as the days and nights pass on. So be sure you're watching them closely on the cameras. And if you don't see them, be sure to check the lights if you see them. And if you do, just slam the gate in their face, and they'll lose interest. Okay, that's all from me. Hopefully your first night shouldn't be this much of a problem. Have a good night, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
You're dead! You're dead! Dead! You're 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 dead!
Hello? Oh, you actually answered. Well, that's a relief. I suppose if you're the same person, which you more than likely are, you're back for your second night. Now, I do have some more things to go over, but I'll try to make them quick since last night. I did say the Grumbles will probably become more aggressive the more they know that you're here. I decided to go ahead and identify each Grumble so it's easier to tell them apart. There's the Grumble wearing a party hat, so I call him Party. The Grumble wearing a top hat, I call, well, Top Hat. The Grumble with the red horns, I call Devil. And the normal-looking Grumble, I'm calling Worker. Speaking of Worker, he's one of the funniest ones. What I found funny is that he usually gets up only to get a midnight snack at the food storage area, which is camera 8? Keyboard found funny, by the way, because I've noticed the food storage area is connected right to your office, being separated with only a window. I am not sure if he ever tried to or not, but he may try to bust down the window to get to you. So, I have a bit of a solution. I'm pretty sure you've noticed that you have a bulk light that points directly at that window. If you ever see Worker trying to bust the window down, shine him with the bulk light, and it should send him away. Apparently, the Grumbles seem to get very disoriented with bright lights. I'm not sure why, but it works perfectly to stun them for a few seconds. Keep in mind though, the bulk light does use power, and if you flash him, even if he's not trying to break the window down, he may react, sure, but he'll more than likely just turn back around, and he'll be more motivated to attack you. So, be sure to time your bulk light usages correctly. The next Grumble I'd like to talk about is Devil. He's by far one of the most aggressive ones in the family. With him being the youngest, he's the fastest, but also the most immature. He tends to get more mad when he's not paid attention to, and his sleeping area, which is camera 3, is the closest of the Grumble sleeping areas to your office. I'm certain that if he gets too mad, he'll dart down the left hallway to try and find you. If you see him waking up, you should pay attention to him as much as you can, and if he does dart down your hallway, you only have a few seconds to close the left gate. Now, once again, I do want to emphasize the importance of saving your power. Party Grumble. Another one of the aggressive ones is the most unique. He does wake up sometimes, but usually he likes to wake up and move around whenever he's in a really dark setting. So, more than likely, if you run out of power. So for the sake of yourself, please do try to conserve your power. And, yeah, that's everything I wanted to talk about. Just keep checking those lights and cameras. Close the gates and flash Worker at the window if you need to. Keep a good eye on Devil Grumble, and if all goes well, I believe you'll have everything under control. Have a good night, man. See you tomorrow.
You're dead! 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 You're dead!
Oh, come on!
You're dead!
Hello. Back for your third night, I see. You're doing amazing right now, compared to the others that have came here. And I'm not trying to lighten the mood saying that the others had other things to do with their lives. I am clearly implying that a lot of people have died here. Once again, I do have a few more things to talk about. This idea may be a bit complicated, but I think I found a way to avoid the grumbles. If you happen to get caught in a near-death situation and you can't close the gates in time, maybe try hiding in a screech pile. There's a chance that if you stay quiet, they won't find you. But then again, the grumbles have really good senses of sight and smell. So either they could see you or smell the warm blood radiating off your body. Yeah, on second thought, never mind that idea. I think it'll be best just to have some good reaction timing. Now, on to a more important topic, Party Grumble. There's a lot to go over about him, but I'll try my best to short form it. Party has always liked to play copycat with his family, more preferably his brother Worker and Devil. If he wakes up, it's guaranteed he'll carry on with that tonight. Worker has been going down the right hall the past few nights, so if Party does in fact play copycat, he'll go down the right hall too. He also likes to copy the way Devil darts down the hallway, but know this, Party is twice as fast as Devil is. If you see him in camera 9 just entering the right hallway, you'll need to be prepared to close the right gate a little early.
You're dead!
Remember though, the power still drains really fast, so you'll have to close the gate at the right time. Otherwise, you'll risk wasting your power. Alright then, that's everything, so I'll leave you to it. See you on the flip side.
You're dead! You're dead! You're dead!
Big fat! Oh, my face! Oh, come on!
You're dead! You're dead! You're dead! You're dead! You're dead!
Hey, I don't know if this will get to you,
You're
but
dead!
if you're hearing this, congrats on getting to your 4th night. This call, it's gonna be pre-recorded, and I don't know if I'll be able to send you a message tomorrow. The Grumbles, they found me. I was trying to sneak out of my hiding spot to see if I could get out for the time being. Until you got back, of course. But the devil saw me, and the party woke up shortly after. I'm hiding in a room that may be shown on the map, but the camera's broken. So, look, this isn't important right now. I'm not important right now. You know how the Grumbles move, and how they will try to get to you. So, just make it through tonight, and if you do come back for your 5th night, then do what you've always done. And get out of here as soon as possible. I believe in you, okay? Just don't give up. And listen to me. If you see a different poster on camera 1, you're screwed, okay? It was the nice guiding you. Don't look for me after.
Think fast! Oh, my face! Oh, come on! Think fast! Don't you hate it when your death is caused by a goofball who is supposedly the main character?